पहले तो hi everyone, how are you?
Fine.
Having fun, we're just starting, so are you excited for a great show?
Yes.
Han and Bhavna. Thank you. How am I feeling with all the love? I feel extremely grateful. Thank you. See? Grateful. And I look forward to Thama release. I think it's going to be a different experience for all of you. Thank you so much for giving us all this love always. I love you. Thank you so much. You make my life worth living. Thank you.
Just do what you do normally. This. I start doing this with every person in my life now. Rashmika, कोई भी मैडॉक का इवेंट किसी सरप्राइज के बिना पूरा ही नहीं होता. And I've heard that today while we're on stage there is another surprise for us.
Yeah.
क्या हम उस सरप्राइज को अनसरप्राइज कर सकते हैं? Can we not wait anymore? Can you please reveal?
Well, are you guys excited?
Yeah.
Are we excited? I need to make some noise.
I think the surprise now should just go as a surprise. You don't know what you're looking forward for, so be surprised.
Be surprised, be surprised. But you got to be excited also. ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ फोन पकड़ के खड़े हैं. Excitement, right?
Okay, but listen, I've just realized that Maddock Universe, Dinesh sir, Amar Kaushik sir cannot do without great iconic music, okay? And with iconic music, you need someone iconic to be a part of that music, right? To lead the music. So today, we have the legend, the OG, Malaika Arora, joining us.
Scream for Rashmika. Hip hip. Hip hip. Hip hip. Actually, हमें खामा बोलना चाहिए. Rashmika, it's so good to see you. You're fantastic in Shava. Guys, 1 second. थोड़ा calm down. Rashmika's come, Baba. All right, so Rashmika, the trailer has obviously broken the internet. There's a lot because the mahal got hotter by so many more degrees. Malaika, I don't know how you do it. You do it every time. But
ओ भाई मेरे हाथ नीचे रखो ना.
Well, good evening, everybody. Thank you so much for that beautiful introduction. I'm super excited to be part of the Maddock horror comedy universe. It's been a great privilege to be part of it. I think after so long, I've really enjoyed a song. I'm really looking forward to it. मैं और क्या बोलूँ? It's going to be a
are we ready for the Thamaka and Rashmika, of course, standing up and Malaika joining this entire universe? Are we ready? We need to make some noise.
everybody. Let's make some noise.
It is going to be so spectacular, baby. You have no idea what's going to hit you. Can we please have the visuals of Poison, baby? Right here.
Let's make some noise.
Very magical, the JNV of music, Sachin Jigar. Guys, can we please make some noise? Thank you very much. Gonna have it on you. But can we please, oh my God, what is that? Can we clap for Poison Baby and these two babies? Listen, of course हमने देख लिया मलाइका अरोरा को along with Rashmika, along with Ayushmann, but इसके पीछे एक आवाज है जिसने एक गाना गाया है. She's equally responsible for
आदत से नहीं हम सब शौक से शराबी.
What is the biggest fear? Sachin had to say कि जिगर को ऐसा लगता है कि जैसे ही एक सुपरहिट गाना दे दिया उसके बाद उससे फिर से नहीं बनने वाला. जिगर constantly has this घबराहट in his जिगर that मैं तो कर ही नहीं पाऊंगा. And you've done it again. Can we please clap for Sachin Jigar, guys? It's insane what they do. Insane. Okay. Starting with Jasmine. Jasmine, क्या खा के आप बड़ी हुई हैं? क्या आपको अलग से इंजेक्शंस दिए गए हैं? कहाँ से आपकी जो आवाज़ है फुल जुनून वाली वो कहाँ से पैदा हो रही है? ज़रा बताएं. और पॉइजन बेबी के बारे में आपके बेस्ट मेमोरीज शेयर कीजिए with our audience.
I feel so lucky. I feel so happy today that Poison out. Thank you, Sachin and Jigar. Thank you so much, Divya. It's been such an iconic project, and to see the video today was such a beautiful, massive surprise. I feel like the luckiest girl on the planet. As far as my voice is concerned, I was born in Punjab, so you could just imagine.
Nice. I also quickly want to ask Jasmine, जब आपने मलाइका को देखा, did you think it's going to get that gusto, that crazy? It's like Jasmine Sanders song, on a lot of energy, which is maddening. What was your first reaction when you saw Malaika dance to this song?
It is so sultry, it is so beautiful, it is so elegant. I love how she moves. The whole world has danced to Malaika since we can remember. The whole world is right now watching what's gonna happen next. It's song after song after song. We're just unstoppable, baby.
Love that. Of course, Sachin, I have too many questions to ask. This night is not going to be enough. I have to thank Universal Music and Office for Advertising and Maddox for getting all of us together under the same roof. सबसे पहली बात. But Divi Kumar, आपके लिए मेरा जो सवाल है is every time you sing, you make me want to dance. Every time. Do you dance on your songs as well, or you're like one of those actors जो खुद की फिल्में नहीं देखते?
Oh my god, you have to see him dance.
Really?
And trust me, you're going to forget his singing if you see him dance. He's such a good dancer. He's a
Oh my
family of
God.
dancers, actually.
वो पॉइजन बेबी का सेट करके दिखा सकता है.
That's a good idea.
मैंने देखा नहीं एक्चुअली बट आई वुड लाइक टू मैं यहाँ पर कोशिश करूँगा ये बोलने की मैडॉक और सचिन जी ने मेरी लाइफ में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल इन्होंने प्ले किया है फ्रॉम बदलापुर उसके पहले भी गो गोवा गॉन हैप्पी एंडिंग सारी प्रोजेक्ट्स में मैडॉक के मैं जुड़ा हुआ हूँ एंड ऑल थैंक्स टू मैडॉक तीनों सर और सचिन जी जिन्होंने इतने आइकॉनिक गाने मुझे दिए तो डांस करने का मन करता बिकॉज नच्चो सारे जी फाड़ के भी हमारा ही गाना है. And yes, of course, I dance to my songs also. And thank you once again for this wonderful song, Sachin and Jigar, and making me part of this wonderful project. And thank you very much. और ये ऐसे ही प्यार बरसा करे मैडॉक हर फिल्म में मेरे ऊपर मेरा जिंदगी सफल है. थैंक यू.
दिव्य कुमार कहते हैं प्लीज क्लैप फॉर दिव्य कुमार वेरी क्विकली. देखिए अब ना जिसको मैं स्टेज पे बुलाने वाली हूँ, we will get chatting along with Sachin Jigar, of course, the magicians behind the music of Thama and Stree and Munja. But वो लड़के को बुलाते हैं, दिमाग खराब करके रख दिया है. ठीक है, राजमा चावल लवर सिंघम जिसने 8 बार देखी है. That man is power, is the coolest betal in town. Can we please put our hands up together? We're quickly going to have a photo walk along with Malaika. Malaika's going to leave, but एक अच्छा सा quick सा photo तालियां for this very very amazing group. Malaika आपसे ढेर सारी बातें करनी थी, but you've got a flight to catch. But you can hold on to this. Should I take this away from you? Yes. मैं ले लूँ? ठीक है. Photo. हाँ जी. Can we please have a photo walk of this lovely team on stage? Thank you.
Come close.
जो इस bloody love story का हिस्सा है, अगर ये नहीं है तो क्या ही चाम. Can we please make some noise again for Rashmika Mandanna?
बस ये खराबी है
सब इतने सुंदर लग रहे हैं ना, मजा ही आ गया एकदम काम. मैं बस गिर ना जाऊं. Okay, we've got some questions. Obviously, रश्मिका का माइक जरा दे दीजिए. दे दो माइक. हाथ दे रही हैं दीदी, हमें हाथ वो है 3-4 माइक की क्या ही जरूरत. ओके Rashmika, everybody wants to know what's chit-chatting between you and Jigar, but we will continue with Thama for now. Guys, this is 1/4 team of Thama. Sachin Jigar, आप सिर्फ सवाल पूछने ही हैं हमें ढेर सारे. Let's count all your songs. ऐसे गिनूंगी ना तो मतलब मेरी उंगलियां कम पड़ जाएंगी. There's Kamaria. Guys, every time I say a song, you got to make some noise. Kamaria, Taras, आज की रात, तुम मेरे ना हुए, झुमकेश्वरी, मतलब मैं कहाँ से ही शुरू क्यों करूँ? Sachin Jigar, is there any specific special formula for MH, for the Mad Dog Horror Comedy Universe, or is it the regular formula?
No, the formula is Dino sir and his trust in music.
Yeah.
He keeps music above everything, whether with us or with any other composer. I think his priority is to make great music, and he's one of the only producers I've seen who really takes the time. वो इतना वक्त देते हैं म्यूज़िक को, और कल गाना रिलीज़ होने वाला है तो आज तक उस पर मेहनत करने देते हैं और खुद भी करते हैं. सो आई थिंक इसका मैजिक फॉर्मूला इज़ Dinesh Vijan sir, and I think we are absolutely grateful to we have done so much work with him, and I can promise you this is just the beginning.
गाइस जस्ट एक और बार, कभी कभी ऐसा हो जाता है कि सचिन जिगर को आप कंफ्यूज कर लेते हैं. जिगर सचिन, जस्ट रिमाइंडिंग यू, इट इज अ पॉसिबिलिटी. या दिस इज फॉर एवर नाउ. टैटू बना लो अपने दिमाग के अंदर. इट्स अ फोटो वाली मेमोरी. सचिन, योर क्वेश्चन, पॉइजन बेबी, वी जस्ट सॉ इट इज अ बैंगर ट्रैक. ऑफ कोर्स द कोरियोग्राफी इज अमेजिंग. जैस्मिन एंड दिव्या आर ब्यूटीफुल. व्हाट वाज द वाइब इन द स्टूडियो जब आप ये बैंगर ट्रैक को अपने मसाले मेलोडीज डाल के बना रहे थे?
जो जिगर ने कहा उसमें सिर्फ एक चीज़ ऐड करना चाहूँगा कि हमारा जो कॉम्बिनेशन है उसमें एक बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट कड़ी है अमिताभ भाई जो लिरिक्स लिखते हैं. एंड आई क्लियरली रिमेंबर कि हम लोग गाना बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे थे, ये बीट भी थी बट वी वर रियली नॉट ट्रैकिंग इट. जब तक he arrived at Poison Baby. I mean, he said Poison Baby and boom, the song was there. So I think songs really literally come out of thin air. We can stand here all night long, take credit for it. But I think वो जब साथ में मिलके काम करते हैं, especially जितनी पॉजिटिविटी डीनो सर के पास है, ऐसा लगता है कि उनके पास जब भी जाते हैं गाना तो बनेगा ही बनेगा, अच्छा बुरा चाहे जो भी हो. And there is always that process of elimination. So there are just way too many processes we follow. मुझे लगता है
Seat, get some popcorn, get entertained while we move on to the next track. Guys, can we please put our hands up together for Jasmine and for Divya Kumar, and let the others stay on stage. Thank you, Jasmine. That's it. Thank you. All right, guys. After all that fire, after all that information, we're going to slow down for a moment of magic. We're talking about Mad Dog. When we talk about Mad Dog, we talk about iconic songs. We talk about songs which we pass on as a generational gift. Okay? Yes. Can we please have Soumyadeep on stage? Guys, जो गाने आप सुनते हैं ना, उनकी शक्ल आप देख पा रहे हैं आज. Can we please clap for Soumyadeep? Can we have the video, and can we have the song which is breaking the internet called The Soul of Thama, Rahe Na Rahe Hum.
मुझे पता नहीं क्या बोलना चाहिए इधर. आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू से आई एम रियली सो ग्रेटफुल टू सचिन सर एंड जिगर सर टू मेरे ऊपर भरोसा रखने के लिए. और पता नहीं मतलब, और डिनो सर को भी बहुत 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 शुक्रिया उनको भी कि मेरे जैसे नए आवाज़ को
सौम्यदीप
मेन स्ट्रीम
जब फिल्टर मिलेगा उसके लिए थोड़ा बचा के रखें.
नहीं सर.
Please clap for the boys, Soumyadeep guys. Can we please clap for Ayushman Khurrana? एक तो he's so cute. और थोड़ा सा अहंकार भी है, but not. Yeah, so something like that. Soumyadeep के लिए तालियां. Amar Kaushik, thank you so much for joining us on stage. Rashmika, what were your feelings when you heard this track? Because I know this is going to go down the generations as one of the best love songs. And I don't want to like overplay this, but मैं जानती हूँ सचिन जिगर के गानों को. I know what Pardesia did, and I know what this is going to do. How about you? What was your first reaction?
It's definitely gonna do what you don't want it to do, which is just going to eat you alive.
Yeah.
And it's just on the loop and loop and loop because it's happening to me right now.
Right.
But as in, this is the first song I heard from the film because Dinesh sir had just played me the song, and I was like, okay, because I was like, okay, what is the emotion of the film, right? And this is the reference he had given, and today to see it come out in such a magical and enchanting way is something so special. And of course, Sachin sir and Jigar sir, I don't know how you guys do it. 16 years of non-stop blockbuster stuff.
We also don't know.
Really, Absolutely. I'm very proud, and I'm very grateful that I get to be in their direction.
Yeah. Listen, I'm going to get into the next song as well, right? लेकिन अमर सर यहाँ पे मैं कुछ भी पूछना चाहती हूँ. I know it's crazy. I know there's a lot of emotion. 21st of October is going to make all of us a little cuckoo in the head. क्योंकि already हम थोड़े से cuckoo हो चुके हैं. आप बताइए, इसमें हंस भी रहे हैं, डर भी रहे हैं, प्यार भी हो रहा है, सब कुछ हो रहा है. Where can you find the fine balance while you're creating something like this? How did it not drive you cuckoo in the head?
हाँ, एक्चुअली ये सबको ही ड्राइव करता है. मतलब ऐसा सिर्फ मुझे नहीं, सबको ही होता है.
मामा सबको मामा बना रहे हैं वैसे, सही बात है.
देखिएगा क्या बनाता है वो. बट यस, ये गाने के बारे में बोलना चाहता हूँ. ये गाना जब से इन्होंने हमको सुनाया है, पिछले 1 साल से हमारे कान में बज रहा था. इवन शूट पे भी हम ये बजाते थे जब भी हमको कुछ इमोशन लेके आना होता था. और हम पूरा एकदम डायरेक्टर ने जब ये गाना प्लेस किया है फिल्म में, कमाल आया. आप देखिएगा फिल्म में किस तरीके से ये फिल्म को और एनहांस करता है.
We cannot wait for the Dhamaka on the 24th of October. Can we please clap for Amar Kaushik? Can we please ask Rashmika, Ayushman, Sachin Jigar to ठहर जाओ on stage. Amar sir, thank you. अभी जाने का टाइम हो गया है. This is your cue to leave, but it's our cue to move on to the next Dhamaka of a song. Can we please? Now this one is definitely, I know I've been talking about every song like this is my favorite, this is also my favorite. This one definitely is all our favorites. It's called Tum Mere. Rashmika's killing it. She's thrilling it. She is just sizzling it. Guys, can we please make our hands put together for the singer Shraddha Mishra. Call her up on stage so that she can sing this track. And can we please have Rashmika and Ayushman do what they do best? And it's for you, thank you. Guys, Shraddha Mishra. Yeah.
आज से पूरा 1 साल पहले पिछली दिवाली पर ये गाने के साथ हमने फिल्म अनाउंस की थी एंड इट वेंट वायरल. ये सिर्फ उसका मुखड़ा आया था और वो ट्रेंड कर रहा था रील्स पर. ये वाला गाना 1 साल पहले सिर्फ अनाउंसमेंट पे, एंड वी आर ऑल वेटिंग फॉर दिस सॉन्ग एंड फाइनली दिस हैज कम अलाइव एंड व्हाट अ ग्रेट जॉब डन. सचिन जिगर सॉन्ग, अमिताभ भट्टाचार्य, एवरीवन.
1 साल पहले ये अनाउंसमेंट हुआ था फिल्म का, और आज डिनो सर ने बताया कि एक और अनाउंसमेंट है कि इस गाने का एक आयुष्मान खुराना वर्जन भी आने वाला है. तो आप लोग, तो हम सब चाहेंगे कि आयुष्मान कैन वी हियर दिस.
आई थिंक जब वर्जन आएगा उसके बाद गाऊंगा मैं. वर्जन के बाद गाऊंगा.
गाएंगे, ऐसे मत करो. हम आपके कौन सा वो वाला सीन हो रहा है, गाएंगे ना शादी जी.
साथ में गाएंगे, साथ में गाएंगे. बिल्कुल. आई थिंक वो मायरा से कर सकते हैं.
Can we please play the track, guys? Thank you.
Sing together. मेरे वर्जन का ट्रैक अलग है भाई. बहुत अलग वर्जन है वो. बिल्कुल.
Actually, I should say, can we please Ayush? बोन भी नहीं है. हड्डियों की जगह में रबड़ है. Please call upon Brad Pitt and Lawrence Gottlieb on stage. Thank you.
Is Jasmine gonna sing right now? The Punjabi Queen? Ooh.
Thank you. Wow. Amar sir, please come on stage as well. Thank you. सबके लिए एक माइक दे दीजिए प्लीज. There you go. All right, Rashmika, when I saw this chemistry is as fresh as the kind of makhan my dadi used to make fresh on the paratha. This chemistry is sizzling on the paratha. Yummy paratha.
That's where we're going.
We'll come back to the mere. What's the secret sauce? We've never seen you do something like this.
Yes. The reason why, as in, it just came out of thin air. Like sirs have been saying that music comes out of thin air, but this truly, for me as an artist, came out of thin air because one day, Amar sir, Aditya sir, Dinesh sir were just sitting on the set, and they were like, you know what, we have an idea, and why don't we just shoot a song? It just came like that, and I was like, let's go, and I didn't know what I was walking into.
Yeah.
And I had just come out of a fracture, which was like 3 months in, and they told me that this is the song that they want to shoot for, and I was like, but how are you going to dance for this song?
Yes.
Because this is like a very heartbreak sort of a song, but also it is so interesting of how for a music like this they've created a dance like this. So I remember it just came out of that, and today to see it happen like this, and I always wanted to surprise my audience in a way that they didn't know what to look forward to. And I think Maddock is the best arena to do that.
Trust me, I mean, it's crazy. Rashmika, all that track in Tum Mere, with all those moves, that's driving the country and the globe crazy. Can you please clap for Rashmika, guys? Thank you very much. Ayushmann, we've seen you sing, we've seen you act. You're wonderful at everything that you do. Yeah, I know you're modest about it, but for once you can say, I'm crazy. I'm amazing.
I'm crazy. I'm not sure I'm amazing or not. I'm crazy for sure.
But you're amazing for sure. How does it feel when a stunning song like this is filmed for you?
Well, of course, this is completely Rashmika's song.
Yes.
I am there admiring her beauty in the
Yes.
song. That's my character in the song. And she's, of course, singing for me. But yeah, it's her song. There's one section in between I'm dancing, but overall she's done the dancing and everything. We had only 2 days to rehearse. Last day on the set, और वो set बहुत खूबसूरत था. वो तोड़ने से पहले उसमें आपको utilize करना चाहते थे, and we did that song. That was so impromptu as Rashmika said. तो ये इसके पीछे की कहानी है, but this is one of my favorite tracks in the film. और it has a good mix of everything, I think.
Yes, that's true. And all songs bring this lovely flavor constantly. Sachin Jigar, as we've spoken about this, we've established you're redefining the music of the universe. One track at a time, one step at a time. How do you keep surprising us every time? Sachin, like, bol.
No, it's we have to surprise ourselves first.
Yes.
And let me tell you, ये म्यूज़िक एक्चुअली सरप्राइज़ नहीं है, ये फिल्म बहुत बड़ी सरप्राइज़ है, क्योंकि जब हमें बताया था अमर और डिनो सर ने कि वी आर मेकिंग अ लव स्टोरी इन द हॉरर यूनिवर्स एंड वी नीड अ लव सॉन्ग, एंड व्हेन वी मेड रहे ना रहे हमको ऐसा लगा यार ऐसा तो क्या ही प्यार कर लेंगे, है ना. लेकिन जब अब हमने फिल्म देखी तो हमने सोचा ओ ऐसा भी प्यार कर सकते हैं. सो आई थिंक इट्स द यूनिवर्स दैट सरप्राइजेस अस एंड गिव्स अस द स्कोप टू प्ले.
Right. Sachin, if you had to give Jigar rating out of 10.
For his looks,
For his
20
looks,
out of 10.
there are 3 categories. For his looks, for him as a partner, as a co-composer, and for his vision.
See, you know, his or our vision is coming from Dinesh Vision.
Yes! I was waiting for that. No, but no, for real.
But you
Guys, ये मेरे मामा की शादी नहीं है, once more. एक second.